Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear the cache in Windows 10. So if you want to clean up some of these temporary files in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So pretty straightforward process, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in disk cleanup. Best result should come back with disk cleanup listed right above app. So go ahead and left click on that. You want to go ahead and make sure, if you scroll down here, the temporary files is checkmarked, and then once you're done with that, go ahead and select the cleanup system files button, and we're going to go back over here and make sure again temporary files is checkmarked. And if you want to clean up any of these other files, you're welcome to checkmark next to them as well. And we're going to go ahead and select OK. It's going to ask, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Go ahead and select delete files. Give it a moment here. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.